In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can edit or remove axis borders like what you see in black right here in Microsoft Excel. So to do this, you want to right click on one of the axes and you want to click on the outline button right here. Once you click on outline, here you can edit this border that's right along the edge. So I can, for example, change the color if I want to be something that's more appropriate with my theme. I can change the weight to make it easier or more difficult to see. I can change a dash. So it's like, one thing that's kind of interesting is you can edit these borders in a way that you can a lot of other lines. So you can have like a dash border if you want to, for example, or you can just click no align and remove that line entirely. One thing to note too is that editing the vertical axis and editing the horizontal axis is two separate things. As you can see, I removed the outline for the vertical axis, but I still have the outline in my horizontal axis. So to edit the horizontal axis, it's the same process. I right click on the axis, and then I can click on outline. And here I can adjust the weight of the outline. I can make it dash if I want to. I can make it wavy. So that can be interesting. I can also make a dash if I want to. And pretty much just anything that I might want to edit in order to make it the point across like you can a lot of other lines. There you go. See, I even added arrow to it. And if I want to remove it, I can click on outline. Click on outline. So there you have it. We found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.